Ellicott City's hottest new listing is active and ready to be shown. I'm Ancel, live in Worthington Reserve, one of the premier neighborhoods in Howard County, Maryland, and I'm dying to show you my hottest new listing, 4511 Sammual Court. Tucked away on a quiet cul-de-sac with a 2-car garage and over 5,200 square feet, this 4-bedroom, 3.5-bathroom home has soaring cathedral ceilings and features a dramatic open-concept living space. I love the expansive, sunken living room that is truly the heart and focal point of this beautiful home. The main level also features a large dining room, a sitting area, a private office, half bathroom, and a laundry room. The layout of this kitchen is perfect. It's open to everything and you can pop right out on your screened-in porch. I can totally imagine sitting out on this beautiful porch, having some cocktails, and not getting attacked by mosquitoes. I also love the beautiful, fully fenced landscape yard and all of the lush trees. Let's talk about this huge basement, complete with a full bathroom, storage, and a wet bar area great for parties. One of the main features that takes this home to the next level is the fact that every ounce of carpet was ripped out and replaced with real, beautiful hardwood flooring. Finally, I have to show you the primary suite because it's massive and immaculate. The walk-in closet is fabulous and the bathroom is so big, you could literally throw a party. Guys, this has been real. But if you want to get real, give me a call because I guarantee you do not want to miss this amazing opportunity. Until next time, I'm Ancel. See you later.